My name is Idamir Leon. I am 34 years old. I live in Monteria, Córdoba. I live with my husband and children. I am Colombian and I speak Spanish. I am primary school teacher and psychology student. In my free time, I practice soccer. On my last vacation, I visited my mom and I went to the farm. On my next vacation, I am planning to go to the beach. My hobbies are listening to music, reading and playing with my children. Recipe: buñuelos de choclo. Ingredients: 300 ground sweet corn, sugar to taste, salted cheese to taste, suero, parsley. For this, une oil. Instruction: 1. To begin with, tras and grind the corn. 2. Second, for this recipe, there is a quantity of the mixture. Add sugar and salted cheese to taste. 3. Meanwhile, in a pan put a quarter part of the mixed white date, a teaspoon and fry it for over 2 minutes. 4. Next one the buñuelos air fry. Remove them from the pan with the spoon and put them on the plate. 5. Then divide the cheese into small squares and decorate the suero with parsley. 6. Finally, serve the buñuelos with cheese and suero. Thank you.